Ever since I published my video about why I have 41 credit cards, and by the way, if you haven't watched that video yet, you should, because it's ridiculous. I realized that my strategy of having so many cards definitely is not for everybody. In fact, there are tons of people on the exact far extreme opposite end of the spectrum who only want to have one credit card. And of course, there are plenty of people within that spectrum as well who may want to have a few select cards to maximize certain purchases. So whether you are a one card type of person or a select few multi-card type of person, this video is for you. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also check out the links down below in the description area to earn some more cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, to get $25 when you sign up for a SOFI checking and savings account and deposit just $10 or more, and to view my all-new website with some great credit card offers that I've organized into different categories to help you find the cards that you like the most. Let's begin. Card number one is the Capital One SAVORONE card. The welcome offer as of March 2022 is to earn $200 of cash back, and you can earn this after spending $500 on purchases within the first 3 months from opening your account. There's also a limited time promotional 0% APR for the first 18 months. That'll be valid for purchases and balance transfers, then a variable APR to follow. For the ongoing rewards, you'll earn 8% back on Vivid Seats purchases. This is valid through January 31st of 2023. You'll also earn 3% back on dining, entertainment, streaming, and grocery store purchases, then 1% back on everything else. The annual fee on this card is a beautiful $0. And it's credit cards like the SAVORONE that represent what this entire video embodies. So I'm going to put the visual up on the screen once more and realize how many different useful everyday categories it covers. Some of the main benefits on this card include access to Capital One dining, must-see music events, bid-time sporting events, and Capital One offers. These are all different programs to help you get access to things like VIP packages, better experiences, discounts, savings, other on-site perks, even pre-sales to certain events. You also have no foreign transaction fees, so if you use this card outside of the United States, it's a very good one to keep with you in your wallet, and it does have a few protections, including extended warranty and travel accident insurance. How about another card? The second one on the list is the PNC Cash Rewards Visa. At the moment, there's not a cash-based welcome offer available as of early 2022, but there is a 0% promotional APR for the first 12 months on balance transfers, then a variable APR to follow. Every once in a while, you might also see a cash-based offer on this card, like $200 of cash back after opening your account and spending a certain amount of money within the first few months. So be on the lookout for that in case you decide to go for this card. Even without that first year bonus though, the ongoing rewards are extremely strong. You'll earn 4% back on gas stations, 3% on dining at restaurants, 2% at grocery stores, and 1% back on all other purchases. Now the 4, 3, 2, which are the bonus categories because they're more than 1%, you'll be able to earn at those rates for the first $8,000 spent in combined purchases across all those categories in each year. There's no annual fee on this card either. For the main benefits, not much going on here. These are pretty much standard features across a lot of other cards today, including good customer service, contactless technology, fraud protection, etc. And PNC Easy Lock, just to define that, if you were to lose or misplace your card, you could go inside the app and freeze or lock your card so that way no one else could use it. All right, let's move on to card number 3, which is the CITI PRENIER card. The welcome offer here as of March 2022 is 60,000 points, which you can earn after spending $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from opening your card account. The average value of those points will be around $600, potentially more, depending on how you use them for travel. In terms of the long-term points you can earn on this card, there are a ton of really useful triple point categories, including triple points on flights, hotels, restaurants, supermarkets, and gas stations, then 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. I'll also mention here that these are for worldwide purchases. So unlike a lot of other cards that may limit, for example, supermarkets or restaurants to only within the US, you can earn in those categories no matter which country you happen to be in. The card also carries a $95 annual fee, which is offset very nicely by a few of the benefits. And mainly it's the first one listed here, which is a $100 annual hotel savings benefit. You'll enjoy $100 off a single hotel stay that costs $500 or more, excluding taxes and fees, so just the base rate of those nights. When booked through thankyou.com, which is Citi's travel portal, this benefit will be available to you once per calendar year. You'll also receive access to transfer partners, so you can take your Citi Thank You points and transfer them into other airline and hotel programs and maximize the value further by doing award bookings with those other partner travel companies. Lastly, there are no foreign transaction fees here either, so another good card to have in your wallet outside of the United States. Are you ready for card number 4? Because I sure am. In fact, I'll even give you a little hint. It's this one. The name is the Chase Sapphire Preferred, and the welcome offer as of March 2022 is 60,000 Ultimate Rewards points, and you can earn these after spending $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. The average value here for these 60K points will be around $750, potentially a bit more, based on how you redeem them towards travel. Chase also has a really cool feature called Pay Yourself Back that functions like cash back in certain eligible categories that may change over time. You basically redeem your points to offset certain charges as a statement credit to wipe them out, and that's a good alternative if you don't travel a lot. The Sapphire Preferred also has some very strong rewards categories for long-term earning. It begins with 5 points per dollar on all travel booked through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. Following that is triple points on online grocery purchases, excluding department stores or wholesale clubs like Target, Walmart, Costco, etc., and triple points as well on dining and select streaming services. Then if you decide to book travel outside of Chase's portal, either directly with airlines or hotels or even third-party travel sites, you'll earn double points on those types of travel purchases, and finally, 1 point per dollar on all other purchases. The card does carry an annual fee of $95 per year. However, this card comes with some great benefits that can really help you pay for that annual fee many times over per year if these benefits fit into your lifestyle. So here they are. Up first is a $50 anniversary hotel credit. This is an automatic statement credit for hotels booked via the Ultimate Rewards portal, up to $50 per year. It renews every account anniversary year, by the way, not calendar year, and that does not earn points. Second is a 10% anniversary point opportunity. So every account anniversary, you'll earn bonus points equal to 10% of your total purchases made in the prior year. So as an example, if you spent $15,000 on your CSP card, then you'd earn 10% back of your total spend amount back in the form of points. So 10% of 15,000 would be 1,500 issued as points. So that'd be worth about $15 of cash back, or $18.75 via the Pay Yourself Back feature or Select Travel. You'll also get access to a very strong transfer partner program where you can transfer your Chase Ultimate Rewards points into other airline and hotel programs. The Visa Signature Luxury Hotel Collection, giving you VIP perks at upscale hotels. Other partner benefits including DoorDash, Peloton, and Lyft. Some great insurance protections, which I've listed there on the screen. Feel free to pause it to read those in more detail. And finally, no foreign transaction fees. Our next card on the list might surprise you a little bit because it's a hotel card and the return for everyday spend is actually quite good. Check it out. Card number 5 is the Hilton Honors American Express SURPASS card. The welcome offer as of March 2022 is to earn 130,000 points plus a free night award after you spend $2,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. The average value of this bonus will be around $850, potentially a bit more, potentially a bit less. It is an average towards Hilton hotels and resorts. If I were to break that down further, I'd say it's about $600 to $650 in terms of the value for the points part, and then around $200 to $250 for the free night. Again, we're speaking on average. It's possible to get much more value if you redeem at some aspirational luxury style resorts and hotels. And beyond that first year value, here's where the card really shines long term. You'll get 12 points per dollar at Hilton properties, 6 points per dollar at US supermarkets, US restaurants, and US gas stations, and triple points per dollar on all other purchases. The annual fee is $95. Now, since Hilton points average about a half a penny a point, or 0.5 cents per point, if you were to put these reward multipliers in cashback equivalent terms, that would be about 6% back at Hilton, 3% back at supermarkets, restaurants, and gas stations, and 1.5% back on everything else. So it's really cool to see a travel-based card, even more a specific hotel card, have so many useful categories for your at-home spend while you're not traveling. The main benefits on this card are very strong as well. It begins with Hilton Honors Gold status, totally complimentary complimentary as of having this card open and paying the annual fee each year. You can also earn Hilton Honors Diamond status, currently the highest level in the entire program, after spending $40K in 1 calendar year. You'll also have the opportunity to earn a weekend night reward on this card by spending $15K each calendar year. That certificate will not have any cap in terms of value, brand, or category, so you can redeem that at a $100 Hilton Hampton Inn or an $800 Conrad or Waldorf Astoria. Next, we have Priority Pass Select, giving you 10 free airport lounge visits at over 1,300 lounge locations worldwide, but it does exclude the partner restaurant locations. Then, like most American Express cards, you get a free Shop Runner membership, giving you access to free 2-day shipping and returns at over 100 different retailers, and enrollment is required. The card also comes with some great insurance and protections, which I've listed here on the screen for you all to see. Feel free to pause it if you want to read them more thoroughly. And lastly, there are no foreign transaction fees. We've got one final card here and one final category that represents multiple cards. So stick with me here because the rewards aren't done yet. Our sixth and final individual card is the Amex Blue Cash Preferred. The welcome offer as of March 2022 is to earn $300 of cash back after spending $3,000 on purchases in the first 6 months. You'll also have a promotional 0% APR for the first 12 months on purchases, then a variable APR to follow. Now that $300 cashback offer is issued as a statement credit. So if you had a balance of $1,000 on your card that was due and your statement credit was issued, then you would have $1,000 minus $300, so your bill would only be $700. So it's a nice way to lower your balance and therefore help you keep more money in your pocket. After receiving that initial offer, you can keep on earning your rewards in the following categories: 6% cash back at US supermarkets on up to $6,000 of spend per year, then 1% beyond that until it resets the following year. Also 6% back on select US streaming subscriptions. Then we've got a couple of 3% categories for transit and US gas stations, and 1% back on other purchases. The annual fee is $0 in the first year as an introductory annual fee, and then $95 beginning in year 2 and every year thereafter. On to the main benefits, first of which is a $120 Equinox Plus credit. You'll receive up to $120 annually towards an Equinox Plus membership, issued as $10 per month statement credits. Enrollment is required, by the way. Then once more, we have a complimentary Shop Runner membership for free 2-day shipping and returns at over 100 retailers, and enrollment is still required. Lastly, we have the insurance and protections, which you can pause to read in more depth. Congratulations, you've made it to the final segment of this video, which represents an entire card category, because these types of cards earn either 2% cash back or double points on everything. And these are the types of cards that really people should consider if you want to use one card for everything and not worry about different rewards categories, or if you simply want to use it as part of a multi-card setup. Either way, this type of card has a very strong chance of being worthy of a place in your wallet. There were actually 12 of these cards that came to mind as I made this video. There are probably some more of them out there, but the ones that I listed here are the Citi Double Cash, the Wells Fargo Active Cash, SOFI Credit Card, Fidelity Rewards Visa Signature, PayPal Cashback MasterCard, American Express Blue Business Cash, American Express Blue Business Plus, Capital One Spark 2% Cash Plus, Capital One Venture Card, Capital One Venture X Card, the TD Double Up Credit Card, and the TD Business Solutions Credit Card. And what makes these types of cards so great is that they earn double points or 2% cash back on everything independent of category. And as you probably noticed on a lot of the other cards, their base rate of earning is 1% or 1 point per dollar, which kind of holds true for most cards on the market. So at a bare minimum, I do tend to recommend having 2 cards in your wallet, one for your most used categories like groceries, restaurants, supermarkets, etc. And then for everything that does not fall into a specific category, consider adding a 2% / double point card for all of the other stuff. A big part of this credit card rewards game is to maximize your spend in a way that is efficient for you, doesn't require a lot of stress or management, but helps you get the best return possible on wherever your money tends to go. So to wrap up this video, here's a helpful visual of all 6 individual cards that we covered, plus the final 2% / double point category there at the end. I listed out all the card names, the annual fees, and the ongoing rewards that you get in the first year and every year beyond that. So definitely pause this, look them over, see which ones have the rewards categories that give you the most amount of return for wherever you spend most each month. And with all that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could could benefit other people, then please help me get it in front of them by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also, check out the links down below in the description area to earn some more cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, to get $25 when you sign up for a SOFI checking and savings account and deposit just $10 or more, and to view my all-new website with some great credit card offers that I've organized into different categories to help you find the cards that you like the most. I thank you all for watching today's video. I'll provide you some great value and some exposure into some cards that stand really well on their own, as well as part of an overall card setup or strategy, because they have some really strong rewards for both travel and at-home everyday type of spend categories to put a lot more money in your pocket and make your future trips and vacations way more affordable. I look forward to seeing you all in future videos, and while you're waiting on my next upload, remember always that you are great.